Hello everyone. It gives me great pleasure as the moderator of the International Congregational Fellowship to be able to send this message from Wales, where I am, to the United States to greet Emily Miller-Todd, who I understand is to be ordained on Sunday the 26th of February. Emily has for many years been one of the stalwarts of the ICF and has attended several of our quadrennial conferences in exotic places like England, Greece and Milwaukee. We look forward to seeing her again when we meet at Stellenbosch, South Africa in July, in the same way as we look forward to seeing all of you who are able to come. It's going to be a terrific occasion. As we're recording this footage, there is a storm blowing outside. One of the worst we've seen over here for many years. And in that, I think there's a message for Emily. From my experience, the Christian ministry is not all sunny days and happy faces. There are times when we encounter difficulties and hardships, and times when things are not as we would want them to be. However, we have a wonderful God and we have a wonderful Lord in Jesus. I can't recall him saying once in the New Testament, "If you come and follow me and serve me, I'll make sure that everything always goes your way." What I do remember is Jesus saying that we would from time to time face trials and come across all kinds of problems. But despite these things, we should remember that he is with us, not occasionally, but always, until the end of time. And what more could we need? Emily, may your ordination day be wonderful in every way. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May the Lord lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. Our very best wishes to you as a fellowship, and my own best wishes too. Serve the Lord faithfully and diligently, as he is always with you and will never, ever let you down. You are in our thoughts and in our prayers. May God bless you.